Drain the water for 2 minutes before installation to avoid debris in the pipe. Then take the smaller end and tie the raw material bag counterclockwise, about list 17 turns will do. Once tied, squeeze it repeatedly with your hand to make it fit better. Connect the dehorning to the inlet pipe, clockwise for tight. Screwed with a decorative cover more angular, to be higher than the decorative cover 1 to 1.2 centimeters or so. Adjust the 2-zone angle to the horizontal state. The hole spacing is the same as the shower inlet. The shower body can be easily screwed in. Make sure the valve body is horizontal. After determining the level and spacing, screw on the decorative cover. Remove the protective cover of the elbow and insert the elbow into the straight pipe. Remove the strong due housing. Remove the fastener by sliding it upwards. The smaller end of the strong due snaps on the top and the larger end snaps on the bottom. Just snap the fastener from the top to the bottom. Attach the hand spray holder again. Press the raised button to move the bracket up and down. The threads of the shower pipe connecting the valve body counterclockwise for tightening. It is opposite to our normal threads. Don't screw it wrong. Screw it in place, no gap is enough. Put the shower on, so that the shower pipe is perpendicular to the wall. Next to it, you can find a friend to help you visually inspect it. This will be more accurate. Use a marker to mark the strong and do the position where you need to punch the hole. Then remove the shower. Use a 6mm turntable in. Once the hole is made, tap the expansion sleeve in. Use a hobby knife to remove the part above the wall. Remember to install the valve body must be put into the rubber gasket, otherwise it will leak water. Tighten the valve body nut. The wrench needs to be wrapped in a soft cloth to prevent the wrench from scratching the surface. Screwing with a little force do not need to be particularly tight. Tighten the wall screws again. This screw in the center is for clamping. Adjust the shower hose to the right height and tighten this screw. Attach the enclosure again. The hose must be connected like a skin. Connect the spray gun. Connect the hand spray. The top spray must be put inside the like skin. Link the gun and the hand spray to the valve body and tighten them with bare hands, no wrench is needed. Attach the top spray. After mounting, level the top spray. This way it is installed.